Okay. So this is the giant water bug by Meat Maniac. And there's two of them in here, and they're like looking at me. I don't like it, but let's take them out and see them. Oh my lord, look at them. Oh dude, that just made my stomach hurl, dude. They look like they're still alive. Yeah, and they're. I don't know what this is. Is this like some special sauce? No, it's like that stuff to keep them fresh. Okay, so this is the giant water bug, and we're gonna try it. I guess. Rumor has it they taste like shit, but. Yeah. That's not good. That's not good at all. The texture is like sunflower seeds, but it tastes like ugh. Oh, oh, it tastes so bad. Makes my eyes water. It it just tastes like like fucking gross, man. And the texture is fucking sunflower seeds. Oh my gosh, it is so sick. Ugh. Ah, it tastes like. Ugh. Eat the whole thing. Look at the inside of this, and you tell me you're gonna eat that whole entire fucking thing, bro. It's all fucking guts. Ugh. I'll probably take another bite though. Just give me a second. I'm gonna definitely take another bite. It just it just the texture is like fucking sunflower seeds. Alright, let's go round two. Let's try it. Okay, it's got a wing. Okay, it's wing. Oh. Yeah, it's got like little wings and stuff. There's the other wing. Little legs. Little legs on it. There's our little leg. Not as bad as the silkworm though. The silkworm was way worse than this. This really doesn't have like a taste to it. It just tastes like shit. And it has a texture of sunflower seeds. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But man. I like can't swallow it. It just got it's like sunflower seeds, and it's like you ever try to like swallow like the shell part of a sunflower seed? Oh, this stuff is. Oh. All right, let's get it down. Let's get it down. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, oh. Oh no, Steve. Why are you saying there's two men? I don't want to fucking look at the other one, dude. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh. Okay, that one's down. Thank gosh. All right. Here's the other boy. He's like looking at me. Stop looking at me. Oh man, I can't even look at him, dude. Oh, okay. Whew. This one tastes worse. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. An eyeball. Oh, it's eyeball. No. Oh, I got too far in my head. I fucking had its eyeball. That was the other eyeball. Oh, dude. I got in my head. I seen the eyeballs were in my mouth, and I fucking got too far in my head. Oh. Yep. Well. Oh my gosh, that stuff is fucking sick. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, that was whew. Anyways, that was the giant water beetle challenge. I got like half the body left, and I'm gonna keep on trying to get it down. We'll see. The head is the worst part, so I think I can actually get past this part pretty easy. Ugh. 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 Oh my gosh, dude. My eyes are watering so fucking bad. Oh. Oh my gosh, my eyes are fucking watering. I can't get the fact of the bug's eyeballs. They're in my head now, and every time I fucking go to take a bite, that's all I think about is eyeballs. Ugh. Yeah. New videos are Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you for watching. Channel.